What I'm about to show you right now, it's not sign language or a silent pantomime using hands. If you're a motorcycle rider, you should immediately know what this means. That's right. What you see is the act of rolling the throttle with the right hand and releasing the clutch with the left hand. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is probably the first and most important thing you need to master before you ride a motorcycle for the first time. Rolling the throttle and releasing the clutch allows you to find the friction zone in your motorcycle. If you're planning to take the MSF course or want to learn how to ride a bike, it's imperative that you learn and master this hand coordination that you're seeing. It's non-negotiable. You have to learn it. If you don't have the capability to coordinate this with your hands, you won't be able to do anything else on your motorcycle. Every subsequent exercise that you learn requires you to be able to coordinate the release of the clutch with the left hand and the rolling of the throttle with the right. Now, just a quick hot tip for you guys. Remember, when rolling the throttle with the right hand, okay, you have to do it gently. It's got to be almost like you're holding a pen as if you are a music conductor. Okay? Do not, I repeat, do not white knuckle the throttle, or you might run the risk of whiskey throttling the bike to high heaven. Okay? Well, that's pretty much it, guys. So practice, practice, practice. This is all I have for today. I hope this helped you guys. Take care. Bye.